How to fix Snapchat Stories problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and after that scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. And then click on force stop and go to the permissions, enable all the permissions, go back and click on data usage, make sure also here to enable all these four options and then go back. Now all what you want to do next is go to the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and then disable it like this. And the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store and update your Snapchat. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.